Video is going to be on my Hoover. I'll put the number on the description. My Hoover Elite, I think it's the Elite Pet. I bought this thing and I've done a bunch of reviews on this thing. This machine is absolutely incredible. I bought it to clean my place. I can't tell you how many gallons of black water I removed from my living room, and then I did most of the bedroom. I did the loft, three days to do the loft because I had lots of weight machines that I had to move in different directions. So the machine is really good. I owned a Bissell. I own a Bissell still. I got it at my mom's house, and I will probably never use it again after using this thing. I doubt if I'll use it. This machine is just really nice. So I haven't used the upholstery thing, but I want to use it on the stairs. It's got, I think this is the stair brush. I might want to use a smaller one, but I don't want to. This is going to take forever. I have a whole bunch of stairs. The thing I like about this machine, I can put a lot of water on there. I can put a lot of cleaner on, and then I can go on with the rinse cycle, and it's just absolutely incredible how it works, what it does. And the neat thing, after I go in and I do the shampooing, I put the soap in there, and then I go back in. You're supposed to do the soaping, and then you're supposed to do the rinse thing. What I do is I go in and I soap everything up, and then I go back and I drain the soap solution container, and I fill it up with water, and then I still go back in for the wash, and I suck up a lot of soap a lot of soap and dirt that's still left in the carpet that you would have with almost any machine. I suck it up again, and then I go in for a third time with clear water and do the rinse thing. So it's I haven't used this thing before. I don't really know how it works. This is much different than the Bissell. I guess this turns in here. Let me put this in. I don't know how it's supposed to go in. Probably just goes in only one direction. It's definitely different than the Bissell. How does it go in? Okay, it's got 2 notches. I should probably read the instructions on how to do this, but maybe we'll put it in this way. There's some notches over there. I don't know if it turns clockwise or counterclockwise. It doesn't turn counterclockwise, so it turns clockwise. Hold on, I'll figure this out. It goes on and it turns clockwise, and then you take this hose thing and you push it down and it just snaps in place. So I'm going to show you the carpet, and then it's really hard because all of these are subjective. It's my opinion against your opinion, but I've been very happy with this machine because the carpet that I've got is really nice carpet, but it was incredibly filthy. And that's clean. Not that you can tell, but that's clean. And this is just dirt. This is really dirty. So I'm just going to give you my opinion of what I think it did. You might be able to see it in some of the pictures, but that's this nightmare of a staircase that I've got to do. If you use this machine or any machine, wear hearing protection. These machines are so loud, they will probably do some good damage to your hearing. So let me crank this thing on, and I'll be back in a while and tell you what I think. Here we go. I've got my headphones on, so I might be earplugs on, so I might be talking louder. So I don't know if I'm supposed to do anything else. I'm not going to read the instructions. I've got it on deep clean. I've got it on wash over there, deep clean. I don't know how long this will last. It's the only way they can do it, really, so as long as you're careful, it should be sturdy enough and it should last. And if it doesn't, if the hose broke, I'd go out and buy another hose. I'm really happy with this machine. I am thrilled with this machine. So let's crank this thing on and see how it works. So what we have here is a nozzle. I guess when you squeeze this thing, you squeeze it? Yeah, you squeeze it, and it's going to shoot solution on, and then the brush. And I don't know how well the suction thing works. Where does it suck from? There's a little opening over there. So let me turn this thing on now, and we'll give it a try. I can hear a little bit of suction coming out of this thing. I don't know if it's much, but let's apply the solution. Spraying out? Yeah, it sprays out. If it does anything to clean this carpet, really. That's how bad it is. So I got a lot of solution on here. It definitely is spraying a lot, which I'm happy about. I'm used to the machine putting on a lot of solution. It doesn't look like it's sucking up a lot of liquid, barely any liquid in there. I don't want to leave a lot of solution on the step. It's hard to say if it's clean. They look better, but maybe they look better because it's wet. Again, very little solution in the reservoir. So I'm going to turn this off and clean it and see what happens. You can see it is doing some sucking. Again, very little water coming up. I don't know if that's normal. I'm definitely spraying a ton of water. I've done 3 steps already. They look good, but again, they might look good because they're wet. So I really don't know what it's doing. I can't see a lot of water in there. I can't see a lot of dirt in there. So I don't know what's happening. So as my reviews have said, I love this machine. As far as the upholstery part, I think it sucks. Let me say this. The stairs look really good. I don't know if they look good because, sorry about my feet. Well, not sorry about my feet, but sorry about my feet. We're in the video. So I don't know if the stairs do look good. But they might look big because they are wet right now. Hold on. Very little suction coming from the hose. And I know people are going to say, well, you didn't have it adjusted right. Now I've got it adjusted right. The carpet brush did not seem to suck up as much as I think it's the upholstery brush. The one that's smaller and narrower was sucking up more liquid. But maybe I didn't put that much liquid in there. I don't know. But that's hardly anything for all those stairs. And I was spraying a lot. The water looks filthy. So it did do what it's supposed to do. I wish that they had a hose with a bigger opening for more suction instead of the little tiny gap that they have in there. I wish it had a lot more of an opening so it would suck up more. There'd be more pressure to suck up the water. But the carpet does look good. The stairs look really good. And just be careful if you're doing this on the stairs. You can see how I've got it balanced right now. Kind of dangerous. But again, I do like the machine. I'm just not thrilled with the upholstery thing. But it might have done what it's supposed to do. It's hard to say. I thought I sprayed a lot of water in there. I think I sprayed a lot more than what it sucked up. The carpet's a little bit damp over here. And I don't know that it really sucked it up as much as with this carpet cleaner. Like I said, when I use it, I clean the carpet. Then I go back in and do a spray and rinse. And then a spray and wash again. And then I do a spray and rinse. And I don't want to do that on this because these are metal stairs. And I don't think I'm getting a good enough suction. So let me finish this off in a minute. I take it back. I'm still thoroughly impressed with this machine. I didn't see this part of it. I don't have the tripod set up right now. Look at that. That's absolutely nasty. So more water was in here than I thought. I didn't see this part of it. Let me get this out of the way. That's probably about the amount of water that I put on there. Of course, give or take for water's always going to stay in the carpet. So let's go see what this looks like as I dump this in there. It is kind of nasty. And that was just off the stairs. I'm happy with the machine. I just love this machine. It did a good job. Again, I wish I had better suction. I wish I had better suction. I wish it had better suction, the machine, on the sucking up of the water. Of course, suction's going to be sucking up of the water. What am I saying? What do we have? What came up? A lot of dirt. Yeah, it did what it's supposed to do. I'm happy. That's my review of the Hoover. I think it's the Elite Pet. I'll put it in the description. Make sure you watch my other videos. If you want to do a thumbs up or a like or subscribe, that would help me out a lot. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. If there's something you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will do the review. So, thanks for watching, everybody. That was the junk that was in the sink from the drain, plus the hose was loaded with a ton of dirt. So once I flushed out the hose, lots of dirt. So I guess that makes sense, because if you're not really sucking up a lot of water at the same time, it's all going to get stuck on the inside of the hose. So the inside of the hose was filthy with dirt, and for the little bit of carpet that I did, that's a lot of junk that came out of there, and a lot of dirty water. It's really hard to say. To me, the carpet looks really nice, but it's also wet, and so it's got a different color to it, a different look to it. But you saw how much dirt came out of just these, what, like 20-some steps. So I would say I wish they had a better setup as far as suction. And all of these carpet machines, they're all the same. They really don't have a spinning brush or anything. Wow, that changed it. They don't have a spinning brush. You just have to scrub it back and forth. You spray your solution on there, and then you suck it up. But overall, I'm happy. So 5 stars still for this machine. Saved me a lot of money. I have not needed to hire a professional since I bought it a few weeks ago, and I'm very happy with the results.